Hello everyone, this side Manisha Mishra, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, Applied Science Department at St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurgaon. This college is affiliated to Mahasiddhanand University, Rohtak. So today I will discuss topic Legendre polynomial application and Bessel's function. So in our previous session I told you about Legendre polynomial and two or three more polynomial function like p naught values p naught p1 p1 p2x p3x. So today I will share two examples related to polynomials that express the uh, function in the Legendre polynomial. So we need our p naught p1x p2x values here. So let's see the function, right? So express fx, right? This is your 7.5 marks portion. Express fx is equal to 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2 in terms of Legendre polynomials. So to convert this expression into Legendre polynomial, so we will write this expression as highest order is 3. So a p3x plus b p2x plus c p1x plus d p0x, and here we need to find all these value of a b c d, right? To find the value of a b c d, we know that p0x value, p1x value, p2x value and p3x value. In our previous session I described, or I had already described all these values, right? So just write here p0x value, p1x, p2, p3. So left hand side same as it is, no change. In each and every question you will follow the same method. So a p3x value is 5x cube minus 3x upon 2 plus b p2x value 3x square minus 1 upon 2. C p1x value is x and p0x value is 1, right? You can remember all these values or you can find proof of these values, right? So 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2, left hand side same as it is, just multiply by a inside the bracket. So 5ax cube upon 2 minus 3ax upon 2 plus 3b square bx square upon 2 minus b by 2 plus cx plus d, right? Now just separate these terms. So x cube power x square power means arranging the power in descending order or ascending order. So x cube x square, here x coefficient minus 3a by 2, x coefficient c, so you can just write together c minus 3a upon 2 x plus d minus b by 2. This is a constant term, that means a to the power x to the power 0 term. Now 4x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 2 is equal to all these terms. So equating the coefficient of like powers of x naught x x square x cube, when you compare the coefficient of these powers, then you will get 5a upon 4, x cube coefficient in left hand side 4, x cube coefficient in right hand side is 5a upon 2. So 5a upon 2 minus is equal to 4, right? Now c minus 3a upon 2 is equal to 7. This is your x coefficient and here's x coefficient is 7. Coefficient of x square 3b by 2, x coefficient of x square 6, just right here, and d minus b by 2 constant coefficient 2 is equal to 2. So we are getting a is equal to a upon 5. So when you put the value of a here, then you will get c is equal to 47 by 5 and b is equal to 4, d is equal to 4. After solving these equations, then you will get a b c d, right? Now next step is just put the value of a b c d in the equation 1. When you put the value of a b c d in our expression in equation 1, then you will get final solution 4x cube plus 6x cube plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 8 upon 5 p3x 4 p2x 47 upon 5 p1x plus 4 p0x. That means this expression has already expressed in Legendre polynomial form, right? There is another example here, and it came in your 2019 exam. Express the polynomial this in terms of Legendre polynomial. So we will follow these same steps, right? Your expression order is 3 here, so AP3x plus BP2x plus CP1x plus DP0x, where P0, P1, P2, P3 are the Legendre polynomial. So just write the value of all these expression here and compare each and every power of x square, x cube, x and x to the power 0. So you will get 5a by 2 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 2 upon 5. 3b upon 2 is equal to 2. So b is equal to 4 by 3. C minus 3a upon 2 is equal to minus 1. So after solving these terms, you will get C is equal to minus 2 upon 5, and D minus B upon 2 is equal to constant term minus 3 here. So just write the value of B here and you will get D is equal to minus 7 by 3. So you have all your values A, B, C, D. Then put the value of A, B, C, D in equation 1 here. Then this expression is your final answer. This expression is in the form of Legendre polynomial, right? So this is your final answer. Now our next topic will be Bessel's equation. So one question can be asked from the Bessel's topic. So same process as in the Legendre equation. So the differential equation dx square d2y upon dx2 plus x dy upon dx plus n square x square minus n square of y is equal to 0. So this is the differential equation of Bessel equation, right? And is called the Bessel's differential equation, and particular solution of this equation are called Bessel's function of order n, right? So same process, solution of Bessel's equation. So we will consider a power series solution here. So we are considering y is equal to summation AR x to the power m plus r. That means this is our power series solution. You can see here when I expand this series, then you can see y is equal to a naught x to the power m, a1 x to the power m plus 1, a2 x to the power m plus 2. That means powers are increasing, right? So this is your power series solution here. Now y is equal to summation AR x to the power m plus r, satisfying this solution. That means we are saying that this is the solution of this equation. So if this is solution, then it will satisfy the equation. So we need first dy by dx, then d2y by dx2. So calculate dy by dx. So dy by dx, that means differentiating this equation with respect to x. So summation AR as it is, x to the power n formula will be applicable. So m plus r into x to the power m plus r minus 1, right? Now next differentiate again with respect to x. So d2y by dx2 is equal to summation AR m plus r as it is, m plus r minus 1, x to the power m plus r minus 2, right? Now put all these three values in our equation 1. So x square summation AR m plus r minus 1 x to the power m plus r minus 2, this value, plus x, this value dy by dx value, and x square minus n square y value, right? Calculation is easy, but be careful. Now these terms rise at right as it is, x to the power m plus r minus 2 here and x square here. So just write nearby this one equation, plus this terms right as it is, and this is here x, so just write nearby, and these terms x square minus n square, so just multiply inside the bracket, then these two terms are getting. Now okay, summation AR m plus r minus 1. So you can see here that okay, these terms you can see here, these terms x to the power m plus r. So m plus r means here this term, these terms will be cancelled out. That means x to the power m plus r minus 2. So m plus r minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 power will be cancelled out. Here minus 1 x to the power 1 power will be cancelled out. So we will get x to the power m plus r, x to the power m plus r, and x to the power m plus r plus 2 minus this terms, right? Summation ar m plus r plus minus 1, these terms, power x to the power m plus r, x to the power m plus r, and this term x to the power m plus r. That means these three terms are having the same power. So just write these terms nearby. Plus ar x to the power m plus r plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can see that summation ar x to the power m plus r we can take common outside. So summation ar, so these terms plus this term minus n square, and outside x to the power m plus r plus this term, right, as it is. Just solve this term. You can see that m plus r is common. So taking m plus r here, m plus r minus 1, and here plus 1 will be remaining, minus n square x to the power m plus r plus this term as it is. Now m plus r whole square minus n square x to the power m plus r plus this term is equal to 0. Now equating the coefficient of x to the power m is equal to 0. That means x to the power m coefficient, that means r will be 0. So r will be 0 here. So a naught m plus 0 whole square minus n square is equal to 0. This term, right, because when you put r is equal to 0, so you will get x to the power m plus 2, and we are just doing x to the power coefficient is equal to 0 of x to the power m. So a naught m square minus n square is equal to 0. So a naught m minus n, a square minus b square will be applicable here. So a naught m minus n, m plus n is equal to 0. A naught does not equal to 0. So this value, this is our first term of the series, so it can never be 0. So m minus n bracket will be 0, m plus n bracket will be 0. So m is equal to n, m is equal to minus n. We are getting two values of m. So next step, equating the coefficient of x to the power m plus 1. After x to the power m, you will coefficient equal to 0, x to the power m plus 1. So right, so a1 r will be 1. So a1 m plus 1 whole square minus n square into x to the power m plus 1. So we are just putting x to the power m coefficient is equal to 0. So a1 m plus 1 whole square, that means a square minus b square. So just open a square minus b square here. So a plus b, a minus b is equal to 0. So we can see here that if we put this bracket is equal to 0, so our this condition will be failure, because we are having m is equal to n here. When you put m is equal to n, that whole condition will be 0. So 0 into this bracket is equal to 0. So our condition will be fail. So that bracket cannot be 0, because we have a condition here that m plus 1 is equal to n. That means here we have m is equal to n. When you put these values equal to 0, so you will get m plus 1 is equal to n. So our this hypothesis and this hypothesis will be failed, because we have our hypothesis m is equal to n here, and this hypothesis will be failed. So these brackets can never be equal to 0. So we have a1 is equal to 0 here. This condition m plus 1 is equal to n, when you put this bracket is equal to 0, m plus 1 is equal to m plus 1 minus n is equal to 0, m plus 1 is 1 is equal to n, and here we have a condition m is equal to n, so both will be failed. So a1 is equal to 0, a naught does not equal to 0. Now equating the coefficient of x to the power m plus r plus 2 to 0. So m plus r plus 2, that means ar, so r will be replaced by r plus 2. So ar plus 2 m plus r plus 2 whole square minus n square x to the power m plus r plus 2 plus summation ar, right? So ar plus 2 m plus r plus 2 whole square minus n square plus ar is equal to 0. That means if in any term x to the power m plus r is given, so you will replace r by r plus 2. So ar plus 2 is equal to minus ar upon m plus r plus 2 whole square minus n square. This is your star equation. Now we can see here, if r1 r is equal to 1, so a3 will be minus a1 upon this one, and we have a1 is equal to 0. So A3 will be 0. If A3 0, then A5 0, A7 0, and so on. That means all odd terms will be 0 here. Now, if r is equal to 0, so r is equal to 0, put r is equal to 0 here. So a2 will be minus a2 upon m plus 0 plus 2 whole square minus n square here into a naught. And a4, so for a4, put r is equal to 2, so a4 will be this one, and you can write the value of a2 here. So we will get a2, a4, a6, a8, and so on, all even terms in the terms of a naught, because a4 is we are getting in the terms of a naught, a2 we are getting in the terms of a naught, so all terms will be in the terms of a naught, and so on substituting the values of the coefficient in equation 2. And what is our equation 2? Our equation is 2 is y is equal to summation x ar summation ar x to the power m plus r. That means this equation is our 2 equation. So just write the value in equation 2. So after putting the value in equation 2, we have y is equal to a naught x to the power m minus a naught upon this one plus, and so on. A naught x to the power m you can take common outside, so just write outside, and these terms will be remaining. Now we have two conditions for m is equal to n and for m is equal to minus n. So for m is equal to n, when you put m is equal to n here, so you will get this equation. You can solve more this equation, and when you will put m is equal to minus n, then you will get this equation, right? So both of the equation are the basis equation basis solution of the function. In our next session, I will share Bessel's function and 2 or 3 more examples related to these topics. So just prepare your topic, right? Thank you.